Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing RecoveryFox AI, a smart and user-friendly data recovery tool for Windows that helps you recover lost files like photos, videos, audio, documents, and more. This tool claims up to a 98% recovery rate, and we're going to show you how it works. To download this, visit wonderfoxrecovery.com. The link is also available in the description. This software is super simple and easy for anyone to use. When you open the software, it displays a clean and simple UI design. In this video, I demonstrate how to recover data from a USB pen drive. Just remember, FAT file system is not currently supported by this software. Once you choose your drive, the scan starts automatically. I'm using a small USB drive because scanning larger drives like hard disks or bigger pen drives takes much longer. Once the scan finishes, the AI scan feature runs automatically. There is a notice that the AI scan is running, and you can pause it to continue the normal recovery process. Once the scan finishes, you can choose files based on their path or type. Once you've selected the files you want, click Recover at the bottom right to save them. Select a destination folder to save your files. Saving may take a while, depending on the file size. Once the files are saved, click OK to open the saved file's location. I deleted these images a week ago, and the software recovered them successfully. The file size hasn't changed, which means the original file was fully recovered. If you ever lose important files, RecoveryFox AI can be a reliable solution to get them back, smartly and safely. If you want to try it yourself, download it from the official website and test the free scan feature to see recoverable files. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like. Comment below if you have any problems. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.